Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. In this session we shall take a closer look at sample birth certificate, and understand how to interpret the same. Here is a sample birth certificate, that of Binky Thomas. Let's read and understand each of the fields mentioned in the birth certificate. First field is name, giving complete name as Binky Thomas Jacob. Then sex of the child is mentioned, which is female. This indicates Binky is a girl. If it is mentioned as male, it means child is a boy. Then main information in the certificate is written, which is the date of birth. It says 2nd May 2002. Also date is written as 02/05/2002. This is the short form of representing the date. We shall learn more about it later. Then we have details such as father's name, mother's name, date of registration, registration number, issuing date, and finally the signature of the issuing authority. We notice the date of birth, the 2nd of May 2002, was written in a number form as well in the birth certificate. It is important to understand and learn this, as in most of the places date is written this way. Let's look at the calendar of May 2002, where the 2nd of May is marked. In order to write the date in number form, first we write the date, which is 02. Then we write slash besides it. Then we have to write the month. Since writing entire month January, February, and so on, will be tedious, we have found a shortcut. We number all the months serially from 01 to 12 as follows. January is represented as 01, February is represented as 02, and so forth, where December is represented as number 12. So in this specific case we represent month May as 05. After this we write slash besides the month as well. Then comes year. We write the year as 2002. Thus we have a number form of date, the 2nd of May 2002. The first portion is a day. Second portion is a month, and third portion is year, all separated by slash. In some cases, we also use dot to separate day, month and year, instead of slash. Having learnt how to write a short form of the date, let's answer the questions from the exercise. The 2nd of May 2002 shows that Binky was born on 2- in the year 2002.
05 is a number form representation for May month. So it is the 2nd of May, in the year 2002.
How old will Binky be on the 2nd of May 2008?
The 2nd of May is birthday of Binky. To calculate her age we do 2008 minus 2002, which is 6, so Binky will be 6 years old on the 2nd of May 2008.
How old will she be in the year 2052?
To calculate how old she will be by 2052, our end event will be 2052 and start event is 2002. We do 2052 minus 2002, which is 50. So Binky will be 50 years old in 2052.
On what date will she be 8 years old? Write in numbers.
Binky will be 8 years old, on her 8th birthday. Let's first calculate the year by adding 8 to the birth year. 2002 plus 8 is equal to 2010. So on the birthday of 2010 Binky will turn 8, which is the 2nd of May 2010. We write the same in numbers as follows.
How many months old was Binky on the 2nd of August 2002?
Since 2nd is a birth date of Binky, we are looking at a complete month. Let's expand 2002 to see all the months in the year. Counting from May, we have to jump 3 times to get to August. So Binky will be 3 months old on the 2nd of August 2002.
How many years old is Binky now?
Current year is 2020. To calculate her current age, we do 2020 minus 2002, which is 18. So Binky is 18 years old now.
How many months after her birth was the certificate issued?
We notice at the end of the birth certificate, the issue date is mentioned as 05/08/2002. By counting the number of months we realize 08 is August. To answer the question, we have to calculate the difference between the issue date and the date of birth. Since year for both issuing date and birth date is 2002. Difference is only in the months. Difference in the month is 8 minus 5, which is 3. The certificate was issued 3 months after her birth.
What is the registration number of her certificate?
Registration number is the last field in the certificate. It is 815/02.
In this session we learnt how to write date in the number format. We also learnt to do addition and subtraction with months.